Hi everyone, let's talk about week 8, which focuses on finances, a really important part of college, but also your future life. As we are one halfway through the semester, I'd like you to think about recommitting to the class and working on your time management, coming back and looking at that again, and also thinking about trying to get all your work in on time or early and just doing your best effort with everything that you do. A few things about this week. Remember that when you're taking the quizzes, we have the readings here and on your reading page. Make sure that you're printing those out and annotating them beforehand so that you can do your best on the quiz and that you review your annotations right before you take the quiz. This week's mindful moment is about your path to possibilities, your sort of all your milestones that you've reached along the way and the milestones to come, and thinking about where you are on your path. In terms of major assignments, the only major assignment this week is the financial plan, which is worth a big part of your final grade in the class. All the other assignments are the normal weekly assignments that we have. And just remember there is a chance to earn up to 20 extra credit points by going to an event on campus. So keep this in mind and maybe schedule some time to go to campus and check out one of the great events that we have going on. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great week.